Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the simplest hardware links. Power your TV or receiver, plug headphones into the controller, and set volume to an audible level. You should then swap cables or try a different headset to rule out a bad cable or accessory. Once done, go to Settings, General Volume and Audio Output, and make sure the output is set to the correct device. This directs audio to HDMI, optical, or headset, and prevents routing conflicts. You now adjust detailed settings. Open audio options and set party chat mixing, headset chat mixer, and headset volume until balance is right. Make sure to check game/app-specific volume sliders because apps can override system levels. Then update the console system and controller firmware. Firmware mismatches can mute or misroute audio. After updates install, restart the console and controller to reinitialize drivers, and you finish with advanced troubleshooting. Perform a power cycle by fully shutting down the Xbox, unplugging for 10 seconds, and restarting to clear transient faults. If audio persists, use the audio reset options or reconfigure display resolution and bitstream settings to match your TV/AV receiver capabilities. Make sure to test the console on a second TV or receiver to isolate the issue. If nothing works, consider a console factory reset as a last resort. Keep one troubleshooting tip handy. Test a known good device to confirm whether the problem is the Xbox or peripherals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.